Hey everyone, Alex here with LACCS. I'm the project manager. We are here in this main house. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. We did an attached ADU on the back of the property and an addition to the house. Right now we're standing in the addition. We did a nice 10-feet ceiling with 3 skylights. We connected to the rest of the house. We also added a new bathroom and did all remodeling of the entire place. New flooring, new kitchen cabinets with the island, and we have a nice fireplace area over there too. Let me show you the bathrooms. Shower tub, nice vanity. We did tile all throughout the place. We're here in the master bedroom. Originally we had windows, so we did add a patio door. Nice master bathroom. So as you can see, there's a lot of tile work here, and what we want to make sure, and what is also my job, is to make sure that all the grout that you see is, the size is good. We have dividers when we put the tile on, so it's equal everywhere. We have the same size. All tile are flush to each other. There's no imperfection. So this is what really is my job. Make sure that everything looks great at the end of the day. We did an attached ADU to the main property here. This is about 500 square feet. To be precise, it's 498. We have 1 bedroom, 1 bath, high ceiling, new full kitchen, stackable, washer, dryer, and we have beautiful skylight. We also, during the plan phase, I proposed to the customer to add some extra windows on top of the existing one here. So when you have a high ceiling like this, we can add some fixed windows on top of any patio door or slider. We did interior doors for ADA compliance, so we can, use it for a wheelchair, so we don't have any issue with the space. So all the interior doors in this ADU are 36 inches. That was the project. Hope you like it and hope to see you on the next video.